Hey everybody, here's an update for Level 1 candidates. If you're a Level 1 candidate taking the Level 1 CFA exam in August 2024 and you're at a standstill right now and you don't know what to do with your remaining time, here's some good advice for you, okay? If you're interested in hearing this advice and you want to continue receiving my updates as I post them on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, feel free to press the subscribe button now and the notifications bell so that you can get them in a timely fashion when they are posted on YouTube or wherever. Okay, well, I've been getting these inquiries also from Level 1 candidates. Sometimes they are first-time takers. Sometimes they're multiple retakers, second, third, even fourth time. People are frustrated. They want to pass. They don't want to spend more money. They want to do it right. They want to get through this. They want to move on to Level 2. They want to get that charter. But Level 1 is, they're not getting through it. Let's make sure you get through this, whether it's your first, second, third, fourth, or even fifth time. Okay, what should you be doing now? If you're asking me, a veteran of 28 years of teaching the CFA Level 1 program and extreme good knowledge of the CFA exam, if you're not doing mock exams right now, at the end in July and August, you are not preparing for this exam correctly. Okay, I'm going to tell you this straight up front. You can read the CFA curriculum, the learning ecosystem, prep providers, books, whatever you want, my videos, whatever, as many times as you want, 50 times if you like. It isn't going to get you to automatically pass. You need to know how to answer the questions on the exam. And if you're going to rely on end of chapter questions right now and blue box, gray box questions that are in your curriculum learning ecosystem readings, and you're going to rely on the 10,000 question Q bank and say, oh, I'm going to do a lot of those questions and I'm going to forego mock exams, or I'll do one mock exam or two mock exams, you are not prepared. Take that to the bank. You are not prepared. I'm sorry. I'm not going to sugarcoat this for you. I feel bad for you because I want to see you pass. I want to see you knock this exam out of the park. You got to do mock exams. Got to do mock exams. You got to get off the Q bank questions, end of chapter questions, blue box, gray box questions in the learning ecosystem, and you got to be doing mock exams. Now, here's the thing. When people do mock exams, they want to save money. That's great, okay? But doing 8 mock exams or 6 mock exams or 4 mock exams or 7 mock exams, all from the same source, from the same prep provider or from the CFA Institute's, conglomerate of mock exams, you're not doing yourself a service. Nobody's mock exam is going to be the questions on the real exam. Period. Don't expect it. Don't even dream about it. Okay? The CFA Level 1 exam real questions have not been released since 1997. Since 1997, 28 years already, that the CFA Institute has not released their questions to the public. You haven't seen it, we haven't seen it, meaning prep providers. So we're creating mock exams to the best that we can to simulate an invisible exam. Okay, so you got to make sure that you diversify your sources. You can't buy 8 exams from one company and then go into the CFA exam and hope to really pass it. Because those exam questions, the structure, the way they do it, the way they ask, what they ask, is not going to be the same. So you want to diversify your sources. I generally recommend not doing more than 2 or 3 mock exams from the same source. Now, there are many reputable companies out there that produce mock exams. I have 2 mock exams that I think you're going to find very useful if you haven't done them. At chalkandboard.org, we have 2 mock exams. They're very inexpensive. Don't worry about the cost. Get good quality mock exams. Good quality mock exams. I'd rather see you pay $100 for a good quality mock exam than $10 for a crappy exam that is basically a ChatGPT type exam that simulates the end of chapter questions, and you're getting an 80% on it. The CFA Level 1 exam is a rough exam for many candidates because they take the material throughout the program and they integrate it into making a question. So they're going to take questions or topics or materials or LOS from throughout the program and they're going to integrate it. For example, they're going to integrate maybe a forward contract in derivatives with currency exchange rates and economics, mortgage pass-through securities and mortgage prepayment rates from fixed income with regression, simple linear regression in quantitative methods. Sharpe ratio, which is an equity with the information ratio in portfolio management. You got to be prepared for this. You're not going to get these unidimensional, linear, fill in the blank questions right out of the book. Yeah, you'll get an easy calculation here and there. I mean, nobody's going to get a 0, but this is not what you should be anticipating on the exam. Now, if you want a good quality mock exam, make sure you're getting them. If you're getting 80s, 90s, well, maybe you are very good. Maybe you are really good and you'll do the same on the real exam, but highly doubtful. The real exam integrates the question. As I said, they don't use unidimensional questions that just ask you like, which of the following is not a characteristic of a deferred tax liability? It's not going to be that simple, okay? So if you want good quality mock exams, I would definitely do them from a variety of sources, and I would include in my sources the 2 mock exams from Chalk and Board. Again, that's Chalk, CHALK, and AND, Board, BOARD.org. They're very inexpensive. They're very good. You can do them online as many times as you like. Yeah, I'm plugging my product. Why wouldn't I? But anyway, you shouldn't be upset about it. I'm trying to help you, and what I'm telling you is very valuable information. Don't do too many mock exams from the same source. You will regret it. It's cheaper. I get it. But at the end of the day, you're looking to pass this exam, diversify your sources, and make sure you do a good number of mock exams before you walk into that Prometrics room or wherever you're taking it, and you are answering those questions on the computer. That's the best advice I can give you right now. Obviously, study, but get those mock exams done, and don't focus on end of chapter, QBank, and blue box, gray box questions in the learning ecosystem at this time, 1 month before your exam. Good luck to you on the August exam, and I hopefully will see you using one of my mock exams or both of them. If not, good luck to you on the exam, and hopefully you're not retaking this in November or February 2025. Good luck and stay in touch. Bye-bye.